Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add GIF comments on Instagram in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then scroll down, then choose on any post, any person. Okay, then click on comment option, then comment, then tap on sticker option, then back, click on okay, then emoji and sticker option, tap on GIF option, then all GIF comment and search GIF comment, then search bar, then search on GIF comment. Okay, just normally tap it, then you send your GIF comment. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.